Hello and welcome to our Chatbot tutorial training series with Landbot. My name is Iherumade Kalistus. I am the founder of Global Eyes Modern Technologies. In this training video, we are going to learn how to automate customer service on WhatsApp using Landbot. Landbot is a no-code chat platform that empowers businesses to build a frictionless conversational experience from end to end. Have you ever wondered how WhatsApp can help you provide professional customer service support? Let's go over some of the possibilities and get you started with Landbot. Landbot follows a specific framework to help you build, deploy, and optimize your customer service chatbots successfully. We call this conversational experience cycle. This way, you can generate profitable business outcome from the automated conversations you have with your customers. So the question is, what's so special about WhatsApp chatbots? A WhatsApp chatbot can offer 24/7 customer service support, even when you are not available. This will help your business respond to customers' queries and resolve issues in a timely manner, and also boost your productivity. Chatbot can also provide instant answers to frequently asked questions, such as business hours, stores location, pricing of products or information, reducing the workload for human agents. Now, let's talk about cost saving. Implementing a WhatsApp chatbot can save you time and money by reducing the needs of human agents to handle some of these queries. Do you find that your customers ask the same question over and over again? Let a chatbot answer those questions so you don't have to. Want to add more bonus? If you receive a high volume of queries, no need to worry. Chatbot can handle large volume of information or queries at the same time. What about increasing engagements? Conversation are the core of any good business, and good business is built on conversation. Your chatbot can be used to send personalized messages and notifications to customers. This will increase engagements and create positive interaction through friendly, customized conversations. Now is the time to choose the type of chatbots that you want to build. Landbot provides the option for a fully automated customer service bot or a hybrid customer service bot. To determine which kind of bot you want to build, the question we ask is, do you work as a team support agent? If the answer is yes, the hybrid customer service bot is the best option for you. If the answer is no, then the fully automated customer service bot is the right choice. All right, now that you understood all that needs to be done, let's dive in and build our first customer service WhatsApp chatbot. The first thing that we need to do is to log into Landbot's platform, which is app.landbot.io. So we will do that. So we need to supply our username and password. But if you don't have any account, you need to first and foremost create an account before you proceed. I've already created an account for the purpose of this training, so we'll just go ahead and log into our account, which is Globalized NG. So now we are on the home page of Landbot. To build our bot, we need to click on Bot Builder. Once we click on Bot Builder, then we'll click on Build a Chatbot at the top right. We need to select what kind of bot we are going to launch, right? There are 7 types of bots as of today that you can launch, but in the future, there is a possibility that Landbot might have increased it. But as at the time this video was created, we already have 7 types of bots which you can build right now. But for the purpose of this training, we want to start with WhatsApp. So we'll click on WhatsApp. If to ask you to start building, there are 3 options. Build it for me, start from scratch, use a template. For the purpose of this training, we are going to be starting from scratch. Other options will also be covered in the later training videos, as we are also prepared to give you other training videos to cover all these areas. Okay, so we'll click on start from scratch. Just a note, build from scratch is giving us a blank canvas in our chatbot builder to build our own customer support. In this particular scenario, we are the ones to customize or to build it as how we want it, to customize it according to our taste. The first thing that we need to do is to add a welcome message. And to do that, what we need to do is to click on the plus icon and drag it. Now we will search for message. Now this is message, say send the message. So we will add the message, let's say, hello, this is Global Eyes Modern Technologies Customer Service Support Bot. All right. This is the first message that we want our clients to see or our customers to see. Having done that, let's add name, email, and phone number. This way, we will gather some crucial information that is needed for us to have a productive conversation with our clients or customers. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's add name. This way, we're asking the client what's his name. Let's ask for email. This way, it will ask the client to supply their email. Let us also ask for phone number. So once the customer interacts with our chatbot, the first thing the client will see is a welcome message. Hello, this is Global Ice Modern Technologies Customer Service Support bot. It will ask for the client's name, then the email and the phone number, all right, to enable us have that engagement or to have that productive conversation with the client or customer. To stay organized, let us arrange the window a little bit so that you will understand what we're trying to build. Now, this is the first block. Then the second block is what we'll ask for, what's your name? Then this third block, and then the final block which we've created so far. So we are asking for name, email, and the phone number from the client, which they must provide for us. Now, let's give our customers some reply option by selecting reply button, asking them what information they want. To do that, we'll still click on the plus button, and then we'll type reply button. Now, reply button. Okay, in this reply button we will put store location, opening hour, and send a query. Okay, these are the three buttons we're going to create on the reply button so that customers will select which of the options that they want and send us a message, and we will respond to them via the bot. So we will go ahead and add the three buttons. The first one is store location, and the second one is opening hour. And the third one is send us a query. Send query. Let's stay organized a little bit. Let's put this a little bit up. Now is the time for us to add responses to each of the three buttons that we created. All right, we will go ahead and do that. For store locations, we will click on the plus icon, drag and drop it. Then we'll set for messages. Now send the message. Let's assume that we have three locations for our stores in three different countries. We'll go ahead and enter it. Okay. We have three store locations in different countries, namely Houston, Texas, USA, Lagos, Nigeria, and Moscow, Russia. All right, these are the three store locations that we have currently. All right, for example, having done that, let's give a closing message to this particular arms of chatbot. We'll type message. For instance, we will just say thanks for choosing us. Then we will end the chat. Then to close it, we will just select close. So we'll just set for close to close the chat. Close chat. The chat is closed at this point. This is for store location. All right, we will do the same thing for opening our send query. All right, but this is just a demo to show you how you can build your own WhatsApp bots using Landbot. Okay, now let us organize our canvas to stay organized a little bit. All right, to make it look organized, so we need to organize our canvas. To do that is very simple. All you need to do is just to keep moving it, readjusting until you get the text you want. Okay. It's time for us to create responses for opening hour. To do that, we'll click the plus icon, just like how we've been doing it before. Now we'll set for business hour. Okay. business hour. Now for business hour, once it comes up, we need to set our business hours on the left pane, depending on your business hour, how your business operates, right? You can choose your country and then select your business time zone. Let's assume that our business is based in Lagos, Nigeria, Africa, right? We'll select it. What are the business days we operate? Now, let's assume that we operate on Monday. We'll select Monday. What time? From what time to what time? We'll put it here. What time to what time? All right. Let's assume that we open by 8 or let's say 9 a.m. in the morning and we close by 5 p.m. in the evening. And we'll close by 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so we'll set that for Monday. If you want to do it for other days, it's very simple. All you need to do is what? You can click on copy. Now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Click on apply. Then click on apply again. Once you click on apply, it will be set. So we've been able to set our business opening hours. All right. The next thing is for us to create response for send query. We'll go ahead and do that by clicking on the plus icon beside send query and drag it. Now we'll look for the option to send an email. We'll type email here, right? Okay, we'll see send email. We'll select it. Now we will set up our email configuration. The default should be Landbot email API, which is by default. Now we will enter the email where you want to be receiving the feedback from the clients. What do you want to be the subject of the email? Let's assume that the subject of the email is test email from Landbot WhatsApp, right? Now what is going to be the content of the email? This is the message you're going to get as the content of the email. Once you are done entering all this information, right, the next thing is for you to apply. Click on apply button to apply all the changes. Once the changes are applied, it's now for us to publish and test what we've built, right? To do that, we'll click on publish. Wait for it to get published. Now our work is published. To test our bot to see if everything is working, we'll click on test this bot. Now it will ask us to select a number. We'll select a number, but if you don't already have a number added to your Landbot application, you need to do that. So I've already added it, so I'll click on send test. Automatically it will send a notification to this number asking us to click, right? Now you can see the request has been sent, so we will now switch over to our mobile phone to test it and see how it works. All right. Okay, now we've switched to a mobile device to test the bot to see how it's functioning. The first thing I need to do is to go to the WhatsApp to see the notification as was sent from the system. Now let's open it. You can see the notification is already here. It says, okay, let's test. We'll click on okay, let's test to begin the test. Now we are getting the first message, which is a welcome message saying, hello, this is Global Eyes Modern Technologies Customer Support Bot. What's your name? So I will enter my name. I will send feedback. Now it's asking for my email. It said, what's your email? Before we proceed, I would like us to test the intelligence of this bot to see if it's able to detect wrong values. Let's assume I enter a wrong value as my email. Now you can see the reaction of the bot. It's saying that I'm afraid I didn't understand. Could you please try again? Now let me enter the correct value. Then I'll send feedback. Now it's asking for my phone number. Now let's assume that I also provide a wrong information. Let's test the intelligence of the bot to see if it's able to detect wrong value. Now you can see it's still saying, I'm afraid I did not understand. That shows that the bot is actually intelligent. It was able to detect wrong information. It was able to detect wrong values. So let's provide the right information and proceed. So I'll enter my phone number. Let's assume this is my phone number. I'll send feedback. Now it's asking what information are we searching for. Now let's assume that I'm searching for store location. I'll select store location. Now, the bot is telling us that we have 3 store locations in 3 different countries: Houston, Texas, USA; Lagos, Nigeria; Moscow, Russia. Thanks for choosing us. Okay, the chat is ended. Now, let's assume that we'll start a new chat. We'll want to look for more information. We'll say hello. Now, the bot is getting back to us. It's asking us what's our name. Now, I'll enter my name as Callistus. So it's asking for email. Let me supply the email as well. Now, my phone number, let's say this is my phone number. I'll enter it. Now, the bot is asking what information are we searching for. Now, we want to test to see if actually the send query, which was configured, is working as expected, right? Now, I'll click on send query. Now, automatically, the bot has notified the admin, telling him that somebody is actually waiting for a feedback. Now, let's switch over to our email to confirm if that's true. Now, you can see we already got a mail from Landbot saying that, hello, a customer is currently online waiting for a feedback. Congratulations to us. We've been able to set up our chatbot using Landbot, tested it with our mobile device. Everything is working end to end. This is great. Congratulations. It shows that all our configurations are working as expected. In our next training video, we will be talking about how to integrate Google Spreadsheet with Landbot to get all your users' information in a single sheet inside Google Cloud. If you like what we are doing, please like the video and put your comment in the comment section. To stay informed and updated about this training series, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be notified once we release any of our training videos or podcasts. See you in the next training. Till then, bye for now.